So first what we have seen types of data, and then what is data analysis and data analytics. Now we are going to see classifications of data analytics. Okay, in data analytics also we are having 4 different classification. Okay, so we will see one by one in detail. Okay, so first thing is descriptive analysis. Okay, simply this is known as what happened. Okay, so finding what happened is called as descriptive analysis. Okay, again we are finding some summary of report generation, we can say. Otherwise I will write it here. Okay, so report generation. Okay, so this is the most common and fundamental form of analytics, okay, in the organization use. Okay, here we will find the pattern. Okay, finding pattern based on the historical data. Okay, finding patterns based on historical and current data. Okay, so these things we call it as descriptive analysis. Suppose if Amazon is there, okay, and they want to find the transaction of individual person. So is it possible to do it uh, just by having an Excel sheet? All the transaction details Amazon is having for the previous 3 months details means it will be difficult, right? Just by numbers, we cannot able to understand what pattern it is following. So those data will be passed or transferred into some representation. Okay, instead of putting it in number format, human can able to understand the picture format more better. So those data will be converted into some understandable, user understandable format. From that we can analyze the pattern. Okay, our sales is getting increased, products are selling in a good manner. So all these things we can analyze, and also we can do some comparison also. Okay, this quarter our sales is increased when compared to the previous quarter. You can also compare with the whole year also. So those things can be done using the descriptive analysis. Okay, so here or simple example if you want to say means a student or a son, okay, going to the father is very sad. Okay, and he's saying that uh, father is asking why, what happened. Okay, what happened he is asking. So he is saying I didn't do the exam well. Okay, so next question what his father will ask, why you didn't did the exam well, right? So the why part is nothing but the diagnostic analysis. So finding the why, whether it is our sales is increasing or decreasing. Okay, what or why it is happening. So if we find the why only, we can able to if the sales is increasing and we found the why means later on we can use the same thing to increase the sales again, right? So we should find the why factor in the diagnostic analysis. Okay, so here if you take my example means the person is saying yesterday night instead of studying he has watched some cricket match. Okay, so then what will happen in the third part? What will happen? What his father will predict? What father will predict the future? Like he will not pass in the exam, right? Because he didn't study yesterday night. Okay, and he is saying that he didn't do the exam well. So obviously the result is going to be negative only. Okay, so those type of prediction can be made in the predictive analysis. I will explain it in detail, but I'm just saying. So why otherwise I will complete this. So why did it happen? okay, happens. So that part we will be finding here. So once we have found the root, okay, here in the second thing, what basically we are finding is root cause of the problem. Okay, another name for diagnostic analysis, root cause analysis also we will say. Sorry, analytics, root cause analytics. Okay, so we have found the problem, and based on the problem, what happened we have found. Then what we will be predicting is something has happened. So what can be the next thing going to happen? So here sales is getting reduced, and why it is getting reduced is the marketing team has not done his part very well. So marketing team doesn't do his part well, so sales is reducing. So what can happen in the future? There will be uh, less profit or loss in our market, right? So that we can say it as predictive analysis. So based on what happened, okay, otherwise I will mention as based on what happened and why it has happened. So we are likely to predict the occurrence in the future, okay, based on the past information. Okay, for example, if I'm taking sales team can learn the revenue potential. Okay, the marketing team, if I'm going means they can predict how much sales they can or how much revenue they can earn this particular quarter before the sales begins. And in the finance team, what they can do is they can do more accurate projections for the next financial year. Okay, and in the operation team, what they can do, they can target on various product in different region. Okay, in some region one particular product is selling and another region is it is not selling means, so they can analyze it and make their sales by putting the right product in the right place. Okay, so we can say it as um, so right product in the right place. Okay, so all these things can be done in the predictive analysis. Then final one is prescriptive analysis. So here the main thing is what action. Okay, I will write it down also. Okay, this is what the predictive analysis all about. Okay, what actions has or have the highest potential for the best outcome. Okay, my handwriting is not that much good, but okay, here we have predicted that sales is going to reduce. Then what we will do, we will try to find some solution to increase the sales or decrease the loss, right? So for that, okay, we will come up with different solution, but what we should do, we should find the best solution, best of best solution we have to find, so that they can get some highest potential outcome. Okay, so that will be done by the prescriptive analysis only, and only 3% of okay organization are using this prescriptive analysis, and here only the AI, okay, AI based analysis is taking place. Okay, so we will feed all the information to our model. Okay, and then we will ask for suggestion like what we can do the best to increase the sales. Okay, so based on again, if I'm taking the sales team means they can able to increase the sales, right? Marketing team will know where to market and what to market. So all this can be done in the prescriptive analysis part. Okay, all together is help to create the AI based business tools. Okay,